Yeah. And we don't want nothing from y'all. You know? What you gonna do that we can't do for ourselves? Yeah. Paving our own way, bitch, fuck the highway. I do this by myself, yeah, I'm calling it my way. I don't take no day off, so I call this shit my day. And I'm about to make it drop, bitch, bombs away. Never slowing down, I'm always on a roll. Never going down, unless that bitch Nicole. And you know that I'm on, and you know that I'm cold. Every beat I'm on, is every beat I own. And I ain't gonna stop with the flow that I drop, with the shit that I am, cause I know I'm new, you're not. Man, I seen a lot of people killing themselves. They wasn't really deeply feeling themselves. Now I had to come in and help. But it's alright, cause you know some people will go through hell, just like I did, just like us kids. And that's how we live, but that's how we grow up. And we gon' show you how to make this paper come a little quicker, cause you know we be kicking our feet up in the air. We don't care about no hater, cause all they do is stare. And all they do is look at us and all the shit we get and all the shit we have, cause we so legit. Lena's crew, we on top like the eye on the pyramid. You ain't gotta fuck around with me, you already fearing it. Yeah, you feeling it. This is that spiritual shit that you can't feel in your bones. You feel it in your soul. You'll feel it when I'm here and you feel it when I go, cause this the type of shit that I've been craving for. And this the type of shit that I've been waiting for on too long. I feel like Drake on his first mixtape, cause I'm so far gone. And I'm killing his beats. I never thought I'd be feeling this beat, but now I feel like it's feeling me. It's feeling me. I used to look up to one of the greatest, but now it's like I'm writing lyrics on my pages. I'm flipping them pages, I throw some in trash. Sometimes I grab that paper and wipe it with my ass, or wipe it on my ass. And I didn't really give a shit about all that cash. All I wanted was the fame, so I could show them who I am, and they could know my name, and I could give them a chance, and they could take a chance on themselves, cause I'm the type of person that really loves to help. Lena's crew, bitch, we did it by ourselves. Sorry for the darkness. Y'all know me, man. Chad Tohe, CHADTOHE. Yeah, Lena's crew. Che Turn Up, for those who know me by that. And I'm just kicking here, you know, Mario's. Shit, 6 a.m. in the morning. I ain't even been asleep. Do I look like I'm well rested? Yeah, G shit. Don't fuck with this unless you really want to. You know, shout out to Dazzle, Lena's crew, the whole fam, all my Che's around me. You know, they got my back. You know who you are if you're a Che. You know what a Che means. Mentally, we older. You know, these lames get the cold shoulder. We ain't fucking with them no more. It's over.